African tea baleta mata koye. Waiter, sinakuja kumata. Asaba omelette amaji baleta masike koye. Oba bakati tutuke waka adda musanzeko adda ku balcony ayera wagulu.
Cherry can general.
What else? What you say? What else? What else? Yo.
Okay, now Sizza Man, for starters, people call you so many things.
Yeah, they call me
Sizza Dictionary. So tell us, what's your real name?
I'm born Kayemba Andrew. I was born 1985 from Mukono 11, Nabuti.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what it is. That's Kayemba Andrew originally.
Amazing.
There are two kinds of people, Samsung and iPhone. Yay.
One would wonder, when did you start serious professional music?
Like when I was growing up, I realized I was a musician, but doing it commercially. I started doing it like 5 years back. Yeah, 6 years back in the Firebase with Bobby Wine, Butcherman, Jajana and Master Parrot. So from there I went into a solo artist. What you say? What else?
Personally, I'm a great fan of your work. I mean, you are insanely talented. From your lyrics, your style, it's like really great. I've loved your music for years, from the time of Automatic with Shiba, the Angela, Taxi Money, and so many others, up to Tell It With Summer. Tell It With Summer, right?
Yeah.
Now, that song has been my favorite for some weeks now, ever since I watched the video. Really? Tell us what inspired this Tell It With Summer song.
Like, you know, when I'm singing a song, first of all, I make sure a person is going to at least laugh, dance.
Like relate with it.
Yeah, so these are day-to-day things that always happen to people. Like you meet someone talking about something, they are quite sure they know what they are talking about, yet they don't even know what they are talking about. So when people listen to such a song, they connect to life. So that's what I do. I sing about real life, the environment, like everything I see connects to. I try to connect with the people.
We not match up the Guinness and we talk and the ways and we not go get bust and the way like and them. When we sell you and nobody can.
Do you write all your music, or do you have like a writer?
Yeah, basically I don't too much believe in like writing music like for someone writing for me. I don't believe in it, because when I'm singing a song I want to put out like the real feeling and like the lyrics. Like when a person listens to the song, they are going to connect and say, yeah, that is Sizza. Because I don't think anyone is going to write for me a song and fit in what I want to explain to my fans.
Okay.
It's not easy. So I write all my
Sit down, pen your lyrics.
I have thousands of songs I've written. That's why most of my friends are always like, man, would you give me a song? I tell them, if you find me in my free time when I'm like comfortable, I'll give you a song. Yeah. I don't do it like so commercially. I'm going to start doing it because I've realized that every song I write for everyone. Like I wrote Ice Cream, and like Shiba is everywhere.
Yeah.
People used to say, Shiba is not.
Yeah. But
But when we wrote Ice Cream, like we wrote it for 30 seconds, like 30 minutes, and it was already done. Everybody was like, wow, super hit.
It's a dance party. Everybody wants Shiba. Must have bit them better. Wait.
So that gives me strength.
to like want to do it commercially, yeah? Amazing.
You know, say you're really bad. Champion in there are two kinds of people.
So I've also listened to Mudiri Bada. Well, first of all, I don't even know what it means. So no ribalun confusing. What does Mudiri Bada mean?
So kosale pulesa ninga uliddeyo challenger eyasala kamudini neyasala lwera ani aliraikira okuba mu denja toleeta wano gye nvuddewo desembo dabi yesomba obuberege ate yesembo dabi yesomba bayaye bw'abalaasi banyokeze kibaba fenga tetuyomba we mufumba mukene
bw'abalaasi banyokeze kibaba fenga tetuyomba we mufumba mukene.
Speaking of women, now we do know you for I'm sure everyone knows you for this controversy you caused some years back.
Yeah.
Apparently you were supposed to marry a certain lady. You organized everything, the wedding, blah, blah, blah. Now, the day of the wedding, this guy failed to show up for the ceremony. So, What happened?
What happened? But when you look well, Bobango Jukira Bulungi, like Sizza Man never came out and told anyone that he was planning to put up a wedding or something. Someone might have put up a wedding, but it wasn't Sizza Man that was on all over social media saying how he was going to wed someone.
You may not have gone out publicly to say it, but your wife at that time was in the media.
What you also have to know is always like being a star or like music. It's not all about singing. So controversial is also a package. So I guess.
Really, would you?
Because it did not happen. Like how many weddings have you seen? Like you organize a wedding whereby people are even going to pay. So this is what like.
So it was a stunt, basically.
It wasn't a stunt, but I don't know what it was. But you just have to leave it as it was.
Okay.
Uptown in the downtown, Gababo Gumye. Naturally, the girl is a mina go bekali. The whole of them bossing and the whole of them bekali. Nick and Mary mina go boss and the whole of them bucking and the mash and the whole of them dead. It's a mina go get boss on the place. Nick and the whole of them. Brother say, bash on the beach.
Yeah, we were working on like a video. It's going to be a two in one. Like Fragalanto, Dericto, and Gababu Gumye. So there is going to be it's
going to be one video about 2 songs.
Yeah, there's going to be like an intro because they connect.
Yeah,
it is in store as we had a look at it and we were like, we need to add in some more clips. Last night nafunye omusama mugamba tugende kusapa ko ye lwaki tetujirya emisana okay kale dia you don't want say ono Sizza the girls them blender the girls them money splendor you don't want say oliku NBS TV Pundonour magazine Agatha tova wawo bo